mind is wandering as you become serene. What would I say if they were green? Your eyes shine like emerald in the light. Yeah? They resemble lovely sights of fireflies glowing bright and warming up the night. An attempt to match their vibrance is a fail on every try. With eyes like four-leaf clovers, know that luck is by your side. Cause the odds of having eyes with Mother Nature's favorite color is a feat that's so rare, you'd be shocked to find another. So whenever you think green is super icky or it sucks, just remember that in nature it's a healthy sign of love. See? Duh. Every eye has magic, hidden in the iris that's woven tight like fabric.